welcome back. This is Team Agriculturist TV and I'm Rista Farms. So today I want to talk about hydroponics and aquaponics. Hydroponics, let me start with hydroponics. Hydroponics is a system of farming or growing your crops without the use of soil. So hydroponics can be subdivided or divided into two. It's either the nutrient base is synthetic or the nutrient base is organic. But most people that are into hydroponics in recent time, what they use as a nutrient base is always synthetic and fertilizer. Now let's come down to what is an aquaponics. Aquaponics is the combination of aquaculture and hydroponics. Having known that hydroponics is the growing of crops without soil, now aquaponics is the growing of those crops without soil with the waste from your fish. So when you're a farmer, you have a fish pond that you're farming your fish. Most fish farmers, if a fish farmer, you know what I'm saying. Most of you fish farmer, you pump out your water. Some pump out those fish water every day, while some pump out the fish water every 3 days. They pump it out, they renew it. They now refill the pond with a new water directly from there, maybe of your borehole or your treatment plant. But in hydroponics, you grow those plants with chemical. So I want you to get the differences between aquaponics and hydroponics. Hydroponics is the growing of crops without soil. They call it soilless farming. It can be in granite, it can be with grow medias, it can be growing those crops on water. So there is another model they call aeroponics. Aeroponics is the growing of crop on air. It's not as if the crop will grow on air. You will suspend it, then there is a pumping machine they call steaming machine. So that steaming machine, you can time it when you want it to come up. It will now blow steam air with water. It will steam the water on the roots of the plant, so the plant can absorb the water with high level of oxygen. So that is aeroponics. But let me not digress. Now in aquaponics, aquaponics is more technical compared to hydroponics. Like I always tell people, without original, there will be no fake. Hydroponics is the copy of aquaponics. Hydroponics is the fake of aquaponics. Why I call it fake is because they use their nutrient base. What they feed to the plants in hydroponics are basically synthetic chemical base, like your NPK fertilizer. They use chemical pesticides, they use chemical fungicide, and the rest. Whatever they bring into that greenhouse is chemical based, down to the seed they grow. Most seeds, in fact almost all the seeds I've seen hydroponics farmer grow are all, they call it hybrid. But in that hybrid is of two. Either it's original, which is organic hybrid, or that hybrid was produced or manufactured in the lab. In as much as that seed has gone through the lab, it is no more an original seed, it's a chemical seed. I will explain this in another video, but let me go back to what I'm saying. In aquaponics, you feed your fishes, you use the fish waste, the farmed fish water. That water most fish farmers pump out every 3 days or every 2 days, every day, depending on how they want to do it. You now use that water to pass through what they call biological filters. Those biological filters will help you remove the solid waste from the liquid waste. You now take that same water to grow your plants. That will reduce, in fact that will take out all the excess nitrites, because in that biological filter, the bacteria, beneficial bacteria that are there, will convert the nitrates to nitrites, which it is what the plant will now take up as what nitrogen for their growth. Organic farming is very simple. You recycle waste. You use one waste to grow Another thing, one waste is a food for another animal. So I will encourage every farmer to think aquaponics today. Time to time, I'll be making videos to explain more about organic farming, aquaponics, and hydroponics. We need to care for the climate. We need to care for the consumers that consume our food. There is no food grown with chemical fertilizer that is 100% healthy. They are not even 60% healthy. If I'm to rate them, I should say maybe they are just maybe 20 or 25% healthy, if possible. All about chemical production is mass production. Duplicate this thing, make them quantity, not quality. I'll be dropping videos from time to time now to educate people, because a lot of people have been asking me what can this aquaponics do. Aquaponics can do everything you think hydroponics can do. Without original, there will be no fake. Hydroponics, synthetic hydroponics is the copyright. It is the fake of the original, which is the aquaponics farming. Just like the way they say they have enhanced, they have copy, and they have original. The original is aquaponics, while the copy of the aquaponics is hydroponics. Stay tuned, share this video, because henceforth I'll be giving a lot of educational teachings to educate people, to open the eyes of farmers. A lot of farmers don't even know what is going on in the agricultural sector, by the so-called capitalist who is bringing this innovative, they just use that name, innovative agriculture, to rope you into what you don't know, and you think you're producing food. You're not producing food, you're producing chaff. Slow poison, that is what you produce with your hydroponics farming. I'm Restart Farms. See you in the next video. God bless you.